Hello. By now, your organization helped you purchase travel insurance. You must be wondering how it works. Don't worry, we have you covered. One important thing to always remember is, keep your insurance ID card with you at all times.
There are steps to follow if you need to be seen by a healthcare provider. Take these steps. Call the number on your insurance ID card. Explain the details surrounding your illness or injury. They will direct you to a participating provider in your area. A doctor prescribes medication for you. Now what? Step 1: Medication. Identify a pharmacy close to you. Call the pharmacy to provide your insurance information from your insurance ID. Step 2: Medication. Provide the healthcare provider with the pharmacy name, number, and address. This information must be accurate to ensure your medication is properly filled and covered by your insurance. Step 3: Medication. Call your pharmacy to ensure your prescription is covered under your insurance and ready for pickup before arriving. Go to your pharmacy and show them your ID card to pick up your prescribed medication.
Will all prescribed medication be covered? No, not all medication is covered. Call the number on your insurance ID to find out why your medication was not covered. Reasons vary, but one possibility could be the medication is not medically necessary.
If you have any questions, contact us. Kevin Walsh, partners at assurance2go.com. Visit our website at assurance2go.com. Look for more instructional travel insurance videos to help you use your insurance at Assurance2Go. Bye for now.